What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of a unisex fragrance, CK1 Platinum. Now the thing about CK1, you've probably smelt the original, it's got that freshness, it's got a real heavy dose of citrus in the opening, and it's got some woods and a little bit of musk as well. I used to hate this fragrance, but then I grew to love it. And yeah, the rest is history. I've mentioned this quite a few times on the channel, just purely because it is one of those scents that you can realistically wear all seasons, all occasions, and it'll be appropriate. It's clean, and it's well liked for a good reason. Anyway, starting things off, I'm going to mention my fragrance of the day, and even though it's summer, I'm still wearing this. Bulgari Man in Black. This is one hell of a fragrance. It's literally one of the most attractive scents I could possibly imagine. And it actually has notes on the back, so here we go. Amber, rum, leather, tuberose, benzoin, and tonka bean. That pretty much covers it. It smells like Spice Bomb, but if it wasn't neutered. Like Spice Bomb is a good scent and all, but it's like the balls have been cut off of it, whereas Man in Black, ballsy fragrance, you know, rum, leather, woody, spicy. It's just fantastic. Man in Black, Black Orient is also fantastic, except that's got a richer, woodier, you know, facet to it, and also has some oud. This, on the other hand, is just really boozy, a little dark. Oh, well, somewhat dark actually. It's not a little dark. It does have some darkness to it. Probably not ideal for summer, but when I woke up this morning, it was like 8 degrees. So I felt it appropriate, hence like the shirt, the long sleeve shirt. Yeah, this is just one hell of a scent. It's almost a perfect 10 in my opinion. The only problem is the performance isn't the absolute best it could be. Even though it is an eau de parfum, performance is a little lacking. Now I'm going to get back into talking about CK1 Platinum Edition. And I don't like with the CK1 fragrances that you can never fit them in the box properly. Like, look at this. See how it sticks up a little bit? Because it's got a lid, and I don't want to like get rid of the lid. I feel like I'm obligated to keep it. And here is the packaging. CK1 Platinum Edition. Obviously, got a lot of silver and some white accents. And as a comparison in the packaging between the original, packaging is nice. The opening of this particular fragrance does lean feminine, but as it dries down, it develops a slightly, ever so slightly, fresh, spicy vetiver accord and some woods as well. And they stand out more and make it a little more masculine. If you like unisex fragrances like CK1, definitely give this one a shot. It's floral, fresh, and fruity in the opening. You know, I get some strawberries, some berries. It does have a lot of feminine qualities in the opening, but it's not so feminine that a man couldn't wear it. It's the mid and the dry down that I think most of you are gonna really find appealing, because it retains some of that floral fruitiness whilst having a developed wood base to it as well. Performance is decent for a CK fragrance. You know, Calvin Klein fragrances are notorious for being piss poor when it comes to performance, and this one actually lasts over 5 hours on my skin, and as far as Calvin Klein fragrances go, that is God mode, beast mode performance. Obviously not really, but it's okay for a CK fragrance. Yeah, I'll just show you the atomizer. That was the most pissy little weak thing I've ever seen. Probably because I haven't sprayed it in a while. It's a little better. Yeah, it definitely has a feminine edge to it. Definitely feminine in the opening, but that's not a bad thing. If you're a bloke, just wear whatever the hell you want, and if you like the smell of this, just wear it. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's a perfume marketed towards women or a cologne marketed towards men. At the end of the day, you should just wear whatever the hell you want, whenever you want to wear it, and ignore what all of these YouTubers tell you. I'm just here to give you my thoughts and feelings on a fragrance, and maybe you agree with them, maybe you don't. Either way, your opinion is perfectly valid, and so is mine. This is one of those fragrances that initially I think a lot of people will dislike, men in particular. Give it a chance though. Give it a little bit of a chance because it will grow on you. CK1 Gold is the richer fragrance and it's more masculine, but I think there is a place for CK1 Platinum Edition. Like I said, performance is good for a Calvin Klein fragrance. The overall scent profile, the DNA of the fragrance is decent as well. However, you've got to be, you know, one of those people that likes unisex fragrances. Anyway, that about covers the review of CK1 Platinum Edition. If you've ever worn this fragrance before, let me know in the comments below because I always like hearing what you guys have to say. You know, I've got a really beautiful little community here on YouTube and I really do value all your opinions and your additions and your recommendations as well. I'm going to be spending thousands on all these recommendations, but that's okay because I love you guys and I don't know, I just love the interactions. It just really just warms my heart. Anyways, my name is Aussie Marcel. This was CK1 Platinum. Anyway, my name is Aussie Marcel. This was CK1 Platinum Edition. And until the next video, catch you guys around.